Hello learner, welcome back to my channel Learn with Christian. Up to last video we learned how to create a database, how to use, how to search, how to delete a database. Then we learned the concept of table, creating table, columns, data type, size, dropping the table, viewing the table structure. At the same time we learn so many things, so many examples of different type of data types in our table, like a date data, decimal data and integer type of data. Now everything is available with us, and now we are going to learn how to enter any record or any data or value in our table. So first of all we'll log in JNVP12345 and we will use the database which we created last time. My database name was 11th class and B section. In this database I am having some tables, so these are the table and I am going to use here data table. So we'll see the data table, what are the columns are available, DESC data. Now you can see in this data table we are having lot of different type of data. In this column you can enter 1 2 3 4 5 type of value, it means number value. In this you can enter any value which is a string value. You can enter either in double inverted comma or single inverted comma. This is third column. Here you can enter the date value with single inverted comma in the format of y y y y m m and d d. This is the format. And finally in the last column you can enter any decimal value, for example 23.22 or 46.6.23, just an example. Decimal will come. So now the time to learn how to enter records in your table. So let's start the video. So to enter a record in your table you have to use a command, insert command, INSERT, insert into table name. What is your table name? Yes, your table name is data. Got it? This is your table name, data. Okay, right. Now in this table, data table, I'll change the color. Yeah, in this data table we are going to enter some of the values. So when you want to enter the values you have to write it values. Insert into data values, you have to open the bracket. Now first value is a number value, for example I want to give 1. Second value is the name value, for example I want to give this type of name. Third value is the date type of value, for example 2020 202 and date 10. Okay, and the final value which is height, so for example height is 5.2. I will close the bracket and I will close the final. So this is only the final bracket, we have to put a semicolon. Let us try to understand this data, how this data is divided into all these columns. So now let's see how the data is related to our table. You can see here this is a integer and the value is 12, and you can see in a first column I have entered the value integer type of value. In second, var character 255, the maximum size I have given. In this var character I have entered the value Christian. And the third column is date column, and in the date column you can see I have entered the date value enclosed in single inverted comma, and the format is y y y y m m and dd. And finally the last column is decimal value, and you can see I have entered the decimal value 5.2. See, each and every values are separated by comma. Each and every values are separated by comma, and finally we have given a finally we have given a semicolon. Okay, so this way you can enter any record in your table. So let's say this, when you will run this, you will get a message, the data entered by you. So let's see the message. Now you can see query OK and one row affected. It means you have entered one record in your table. Now all the three different types of data, all the four different types of data we entered: number value, whole number value, variable character value or string value, date type of value, and same time we enter the height, which is a decimal value. Now once the data entered in your table, you can retrieve the data by putting a very simple command: select star from table name. What is your table name? Our table name is data. So you can see all the information what you have entered, everything is available in your table. This is the simple way you can enter any record in your table. Now let us see one more data if you want to enter. So we'll do the same command, but I will tell you, no need to type this much long query again. You can use your keyboard, and from your keyboard you can use this arrow button. Upside arrow button can be used to repeat the same query. So I am going to press the upside button, and you can see the query got repeated. One more up button and the last query, second last query appeared here. Now if I want to add one more record, for example this person, and the name of the person is this, and the same date 2021 I will put it here, and the height I will put it 5.5. Now once you will run your query, it will show that one more record you have just now entered. Same, if you want to retrieve all the data, you can use the same command, select star from data. Again, no need to type the query. Go to the keyboard and find out the upside arrow button, navigation button, and just click on this button, the query will get repeated. Hit enter and see, just now we entered two different records in our table, and all the two records are available here. So hope you understood. It is really a very easy task. You can try, and if you are feeling any difficulty, please you can discuss with me. Thank you everybody. So this is only for today, and I hope you like my video, and if you like, please share, subscribe and comment, and thank you for watching and supporting me. Thank you very much.